Hi, my lovelies. My name is Chikky, and you are welcome to Chikky's Word. If you're a new viewer, welcome. Grab a chair, grab a cup of tea. Turning viewer or subscriber, thank you once again for joining me. Today, I want to show you what is in my bag. I've been seeing one of these videos, and I thought, yeah, let's get into it. Let me show you what I have in my bag. This is a new bag for me, so I'm very excited to show it off. And look at this. This is the bag. This bag is from the brand Dune. What I love are those details. Can you see this detail? This is what I love. The texture is what I love. And the color is a neutral color. So it's very perfect for everyday wear. It's perfect as a work bag. What I have in my bag is just a collection of essentials. I don't like very heavy bags. I don't like carrying very heavy bags. So anything I have in my bag must be essential. It must be truly something I need. And I'll show you a few of them. And I hope this will be some sort of guide for you if you're packing your bag or you're thinking, what do I need in my everyday bag? For my ladies out there, especially my ladies in 30s, this is what you should have in your everyday bag. So let's get into it. First is my wallet. I have this wallet. I got it from TK Maxx. It's leather. And one thing I love about this is the color. The color, once I saw it, I'm like, yep, you're coming back with me. I love the color and this design on it. And also, it has a lot of spaces. Look at this. This is for my card. And then I have yet another space for cards. Look at all the cards I can put in. And I still have spaces here. And then I have this zipper space for like cash. I have this zipper. I have a few coins in it. So I really love it. It has ample space and it has this close here. So nothing is falling off. For the cash area, it has the zipper. So it's very secure and also very lightweight. So it doesn't add a lot of weight to the bag. So this is my first essential. Holds all my cards, holds my driver's license, holds some cash and everything. Very important. Then the next thing I have, this is what I call my emergency kit. This is just a Nike pencil case, but I use it as my emergency kit. And I think every woman should have this. I call this your SOS kit. Every woman should have one. Let me show you what I have in my SOS kit. The first thing I have is a hand cream. Hand cream. I don't go out without this hand cream or a hand cream, not just this brand. This one is from Nivea, but I also used a lovely hand cream from Neutrogena. This is so good. And hand cream is important. You don't want to have, you see all those people you will see there, they'll have those white marks in between their fingers. No, that is ashiness. We are not doing ashiness this summer. So get yourself a pocket size hand cream, travel size hand cream like this. Very important. This is a disinfectant pocket wipe. I got this brand off Amazon. Is a disinfectant pocket wipe. I love this. If you want to clean a surface, disinfect a surface, and or even your hands or your phone. Oh, your phone is something you should be wiping down regularly because all the surfaces you set it on, yeah, monkey, you should be wiping it down regularly. So this disinfectant wipe comes in handy for that. Next is floss. How many times have you had lunch or had a snack and something is in your teeth? Don't use the cover of your pen. Do not use the cover of your biro for it. Get you this pocket floss. And one thing I love this pocket floss is they are individually wrapped. So it's very hygienic. You're not just dumping them in the bag and hoping for the best and then later you put it in your teeth. No. And of course, they are colorful. You know me, I love my colors. So yes, I am going to go for a colorful wrapped floss. So have these colors individually wrapped, very hygienic, and it will get the job done. Next are some feminine hygiene products. So tampons and panty wipes. Tampons and panty wipes. If you're someone that uses a sanitary towel, You can also have one of those in your bag, but I love using tampons, and I use the Tampax brand. And this panty liner is from Always. Yeah, it's Always. I got it off Amazon. One thing I love about these panty liners is they are the short ones, but they are individually wrapped like this, so it makes them very hygienic for travel. I only use this when I'm on the go. Wrap like this, you can put them anywhere and they are hygienic. Very good. If I mean, do I need to explain what panty liners are for? If you want an explanation, tell me in the comment section and I will teach you more about panty liners. And of course, tampons. Yes, I know we should be tracking our time of the month, but you can also have it to help someone out. You never know. You never know. Hormones are crazy, so you never know. Next is ibuprofen, or you can have paracetamol for when you have a headache or a cramp, or some other person has a cramp or a headache. You never know when a pain or an ache will rise, especially if you're in your 30s. Those knees hurt, the ankles hurt, the back hurt. So having a pack of ibuprofen or paracetamol comes in handy these days. And I have my trusted lip gloss. This particular one is clear, but because I've used it quite a lot, it's changed a bit of nude. Very good. And finally, this is a perfume. I got this perfume from my 2025 advent calendar. This is the Billie Eilish number one and the Billie Eilish number two. Let me show you how it works. This is for the number one, and it is good just to freshen up. Just put it behind your ears or here, and you are fresh as a daisy. I love I love the number. This is the number two. The number two is my favorite. The number one is this one that is amber colored. And you can also do the same. I love the number two. I prefer the number two, so I use that often. But it's just a way to freshen up, make sure you're smelling fresh and you're feeling fresh all day long. Next is this one is a no-brainer. My car keys. I can't leave the house without it because I drive and I drive everywhere I go. So my car keys, I have it in the small compartment of my car. So car keys very essential. Do not forget it. Another thing I like to carry is a notebook. Yes, I am old fashioned like that. And look at, I love the color and the floral design of my notepad. I am old fashioned like that. I still love putting pen to paper. I know I have the notes app on my phone and I do use that, but I still love putting pen to paper on my notepad. I can get an idea, write it down just to remind myself. So I have written a lot of things here. I'm not going to show you what is in my notepad because it's confidential, classified information. The next I have, oh, this is very important, particularly during the summer, SPF. And this is the one I currently have in my bag. This is the La Roche-Posay Antelios Spray SPF. I use the spray one because most of the time I'm leaving the house, I'm wearing makeup. So this is a good way to top up your SPF when you're already wearing makeup. The size of the bottle fits right into my bag, so I really love it. Next is hand sanitizer. Going about your day, you're touching a lot of surfaces, and sometimes I don't have access to water and soap to wash my hands. So the next best thing for me is to always have my hand sanitizer in my bag. So I can just use it to sanitize my hand and it's clean. I can grab a snack. So hand sanitizer, very important. Next one is pen of different colors. I have a green one and a black one. I had a red one here, but I think I took it out yesterday to do some jotting. I just like writing in different colors. It just makes the whole page of my notepad very colorful. So I always have different colors of pen in my bag. And another important one for the summer is sunglasses. So I have my sunglasses and I put it in this pack. I got this pack off Amazon. It comes 3 in 1 and I got them for less than £20. So very handy. And when I open it, I have my sunglasses here. Let me show you. I love these sunglasses. It's just, look at that. Ooh! Get into it. Yes. It's from Oscar de la Renta. So I love it. And this is what I'm using all summer because I am ready for the sun and I'm ready to enjoy the weather. So very important. I always carry this in my bag. It's also good when you're driving so that the sun is not in your eye and you can see clearly. So I always have it in my bag. Next one is a packet of pocket tissue. This is very handy if you want to blow your nose, you want to dap up something, clean up something. This comes handy. Powder for touch-ups. Yeah, if you're wearing makeup or even when you're not wearing makeup but you don't want your face to go all oily, especially in the summer, you want to have this. And I love this particular brand. This is the Revlon Color Stay. And if I open it, you see I have used quite, I hope this is focused on the camera. I've used quite a big, you see that space there. I love it. I love the powder. I just love it. And another thing I love about it is it has this mirror that comes with it. So I'm not needing to carry extra compact mirror in my bag. So just this and I'm good to go. So lovely product. Can't recommend it enough. And other things I've shown you is what I have in my bag. So let me know in the comment section what is your favorite piece of item in my bag, what surprised you, or what else do you think I should add in my bag? What do you think is important for a lady to have in her bag? And also share with me what you have in your bag. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share this video to a sister, a friend, or someone you think might find it useful. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I also have a podcast that is available everywhere you get your podcast called Little Wins Podcast. And I also have Substack at Chikky. So follow me on all those channels. I share ways you can build a happy, successful life, particularly as a woman and particularly as a woman in your 30s. So thank you very much for your support. I hope to see you very soon. Bye.